Hi, it's Kev Randall. We're continuing with the OCR Core1 exam from June 2007. And this is question 2, and it's based on curve sketching, sketching curves from the equation of a curve. You will get this in one form or another. I've pre-prepared the graphs for ease of use. So question 2, it says, on separate diagrams, sketch the curve of 1, y equals 1 over x, and 2, y equals x to the power 4. So first of all, y equals 1 over x, which is this curve here. If we look at that, if we take, first of all, put when x equals 1, we can see that y equals 1, which gives us this point here. Now then, as this is for y equals 1 over x, as x gets bigger, then 1 over x gets increasingly smaller, but never gets to 0. So it comes along here and forms what we call an asymptote. So it's asymptotic to the x-axis. So as x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, the value of y falls towards 0, but never actually gets to 0. Here, as x gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, then again the value of y gets higher and higher and higher and higher, but x never gets to 0. Because when x is 0, then we've got a divide by 0 error. We've got y equals 1 over 0, which doesn't happen. If we look on the negative side, when we get x equals minus 1, so we've got y equals 1 over minus 1, then y equals minus 1, so we get this point here. As x becomes more and more negative, along here, it approaches the y equals 0, the x-axis, but never touches it. So it's asymptotic there, it's asymptotic here. It never actually touches the y-axis. So that's a sketch of y equals 1 over x. For y equals x over 4, x to the power 4, that's this one here, y equals x to the power 4. First of all, when x equals 0, we can see that y equals 0. So that's there. X equals 1, y equals 1. Put that point there. X equals minus 1, y equals plus 1. Then as x gets bigger, y gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So for instance, when x is 2, we can see that y is 2 to the power 4, which is 16 up here somewhere. When x is minus 2, y is 16. And as x gets bigger and bigger, for instance, when x is 3, we can see that y is 81. So we've got this curve here. So that's the curve of y equals x to the power 4. That's question 2 for 3 marks. You get 2 marks for that one and 1 mark for that one. So thanks for watching. Look out for the rest of the exam questions off this 2007 paper and also later papers.